Hello friends, myself Chanchal and welcome back to our channel that is Chanchal Biology. So today topic of video is Shodhganga. We'll be discussing this website. So why I picked up this website is like this is very much useful while writing PhD thesis. Whenever we come at the end of our PhD and we start thinking of writing thesis, we start running behind our seniors and friends, which I also did during my PhD. So I came across a very beautiful website that is Shodhganga, which have information for all existing theses of India. So this website is supported by Information and Library Network Center, and it is an autonomous inter-university center of UGC. So we'll directly go to the website. So here I will be writing Shodhganga. Okay, so the web page has come, and here Shodhganga is written. So this website consists around 38 lakhs theses, and along with thesis it consists of synopsis and postdoctoral reports, and around more than 500 more than 500 institute has MOU signed with this institute for having collection of their thesis. So whenever we submit our PhD thesis, the soft copy of the thesis gets submitted here, and any one of us can access their thesis. So along with the writing PhD thesis, we can have an idea. If we are planning to do PhD, then we can have idea from this website that if you are interested in suppose any stream, then you can see that what type of research is going on in the particular field. So let's come to the topic, like how to get template of the PhD thesis. So here I will show you how to retrieve thesis by taking an example of my thesis. So let's come to the advanced search here, and we'll click it, and here we'll type like how from which university we have submitted PhD thesis. So as we can see here, there are many participating universities which has submitted their thesis in this particular website. So mine is from KIT University, so we'll go to the KIT University. Okay. So after going to the KIT University, we'll click on go, and here the search result will come. So all disciplines, as we can see here, that all disciplines are written over here, and my thesis is has been submitted in School of Biotechnology. So I will be clicking on this icon. Okay, so search result has come up, and the thesis which has been lately submitted in the university at the School of Biotechnology is is this one, that is on Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and the date when it has been uploaded in the website is 5 August 2022, and the PhD scholar who has done it is Sumant Nayak, and the guide name is Dr. Avinash Sonamane. So I will go to my PhD thesis to explain you that how you can get the content or the template for all the headings like material, method, result, section, bibliography and all. Internet is little bit slow, so please be patient. And here is my thesis. So I have submitted it in December 2018, and it has been uploaded in 4th January 2019. So around in 1 month the thesis come online. So here it is this is the name of the nematode on which I have worked. This is the date where it has been when it has been uploaded on the website. This is my name, and this is the supervisor name. So for getting details into the thesis, I will click here, and the detail which I have talked is written here, and I will take you in the inside of the thesis. So first is the title. So whenever we'll see the final thesis, it's look very simple. But when we start writing for it, then each step is a difficult. Like what will be the template, from where we'll start. So first I will show you about title page. So here you can download any page whichever you want. Like if you need abstract, then you can download it. If you need acknowledgement, if you want to see template for acknowledgement, then you can go here. So first I will show you the title. So here is the title: Management of M. graminicola through exploitation of natural host resistance and identification of genes. And this is the logo of the university, and this is the name of the scholar, and this is the name of the university, and this is the year. So like title, we can go in any of the content. Like if I want to see chapter 1 of the thesis, then we can click here. So this is the introduction page. So likewise you can go to any of the content, and any of the thesis which has been submitted here, and mostly from all of the institute, PhD thesis is submitted here in this website. So you can go to any of the thesis, and here I took example of my thesis from biotechnology department. But you can, if you are from another stream, then you can go in your stream and you can find your PhD thesis. You can find thesis template for yourself with this website. So I hope that this information is valuable for you, and it will help you. And here I want to highlight one more point, like plagiarism and all we have to look while writing thesis. So what is the new rules and updates which has been come through through UGC will be available here. So you can click any of this link to get the more updates, and you can explore this website. So I hope you will like this video, and if it's useful to you, please like, share and subscribe, because this video will be useful for the student working in any different field also. It's not only related to biology. So please share as much you can. Thank you very much.